Good morning and welcome back to Scrapping with Cynthia. Today I am going to demonstrate how to winterize your bed for the winter. You know, last year we had a really rough winter. We had ice and snow and we had rolling heat. They turned the heat off and almost froze us to death. This year I am going to winterize this bed. You're looking at a king size bed. I'm also going to show you how to cover up your bottom mattress without using a bed skirt. Okay guys, you see this is how the bottom of the mattress looks. You know, it has like two little double mattresses in there. Either way, this is the bottom mattress and this is what it looks like. See how it has a dark line going around it? What I used was just an old fitted sheet. Okay, here it is. Check it out. See? That's a fitted sheet. And it is an old one, but it does the trick. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can see this or not, but my mattress is slightly larger than the bed for some reason. Either way. And you see that I barely have room to tuck in extra quilts and blankets, you know, like when you're doing your layers. So the trick is, instead of buying a king size quilt, blanket, you know, all that extra that you're going to put on the bed, just go down one size, buy a queen. And that way you won't have to tuck everything in there, because my space is really tight. But I'll show you. It does the trick. Always start with your mattress cover. Okay, I just took the sheets out of the dryer. Just washed those. And we're going to start putting this bed together. We're going to get it ready for winter. For maximum warmth, I would suggest that you buy you some 100% cotton. Next, I'm going to add this warm, cozy, 100% cotton blanket. I purchased this from Home Goods. I've already washed and dried it. Next, I'm going to be adding this heavy-duty comforter. I've already washed and dried it as well. Now, we really don't sleep under that gold comforter. That's the one that I use when I want to dress my bed. Here's the real comforter that we actually sleep under, which is much thicker, way more thicker than that gold one.